Good morning, boys and girls. Here we are again with another episode with Ash and Jason. Jason is here.
Getting ready to do some nice things to the V4R.
Is to put a new sprocket for my V4R.
So this is not a quick change sprocket set. Ash is moving to have the quick change sprocket set. This is just a stock sprocket set, but Ash did update to the gold chain a few months back.
Yes. It's a lighter, it's DID. V4R, they come with a 520 anyway, so I didn't have to change anything there. And now it's time to change the sprocket. I kept the number of teeth the same for front and back. I didn't want to change anything, so the new sprocket here,
flange or the carrier, whichever they call this, the hub, the flange, the carrier, the names seem to be all mixed up on the internet. Look at this beauty. Look how dirty my hands got already. This is beautiful. So this is the gold. Now he went with gold to have just slight accents in there. So here's the front hub. So this will go right here, slide down in there. So actually, let's go ahead and see what it would look like. So this would fit right on there. Then the hub will go right on there. And then you're gonna have these CNC aluminum nuts. These are the nuts for the sprocket. So sprocket nuts are 8 by 1.25 millimeters. These will go right here. Wow, this is gonna be beautiful. Look at that.
look at this.
That's gonna be beautiful. And then he's got the other part here.
Oh, ugly.
Which I might have to, oh, this one's gonna be easier to open than the other one. Look at this, and this is what we call the cherry on top. CNC, look at that, CNC. Now again, Ash purchased all of this stuff from Desmohart. Got the full set, Desmohart set it all up, sent it out. Yeah, beautiful set, very good price, very fast shipping. Only took a couple. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off all of this factory garbage. I'm just kidding. All this factory stuff. And also we're going to do on this side, we're going to take off this axle nut and put the black axle nut on there. The tools you will need for this job. You have to have a torque wrench. I have my torque wrench right here. It goes up to 300 something Newton meters. These lug nuts are both 230 Newton meters. I usually do them at 240 just to be a little bit on the safe side. You're also going to need a chain. This is the tensioner. This one actually isn't directly made for Ducati, or specifically made for Ducati, but it still works really well. And then you're gonna need this big nut to be able to get this bad boy off. So, yeah.
Come on.
Axle lock pins. So you got to pull out. The best way to do is just pull out on the front part that sticks out. Then you move it around it until it comes up and pops out. That one was in there because of the in there tight because of the hole. So we're gonna go ahead and do both sides real quick. Pop this bad boy off of here. Now we can decide which one nut to do first later. Now is for the fun part is popping this bad boy loose, wrench to loosen up bolts, but I'm going to do that. Okay, and then yeah, we can only do one side at a time, so we're gonna go ahead and start with this side here since I loosened up the nut. There we go. So I'm moving, I'm loosening up the chain all the way.
Wow.
Like that. So now the chain is really loose, so I can slide up off of there, take this off, put the new one on, put it on, and put this bad boy up on a stand. Can you stand your bike up? Because I'm using a stand the wrong way. There we go. Stand.
Have you done this before?
Okay.
I mean,
so there we go.
Can I do it for you?
I'm gonna take this off here. God, this is such a big.
We have to measure it. Let's measure it, Ross.
Oh yeah, we gotta weigh it.
Wait.
Compare the weight. If I remember, it's 40. I think it's 42 or something for one. Okay, so here we go. Steel factory axle nut. 114. Where did I get 42 from? I don't know. Okay. 114. CNC aluminum billet 7075. 43. That's where I got it from. It was the CNC. Look at the difference. 43. 114. Wow. That's huge savings. And he's got one on each side. So right there, that's like 10 horsepower. So let's go ahead and get the rest of it off, because then we got to assemble everything.
The sticker is 10 horsepower. Look at this. 367 horsepower.
We can't. It's not going to do separate. It's going to be too heavy, man, because it's over a kilo. This thing only goes up to a kilo. Is it? How dirty is it? It's going to say error. Yeah, boom, error. But we can weigh it all out.
One by one?
Yeah. So wait. Go ahead and can you? If it comes off easy, I got it. All right. So we're gonna weigh. Ooh, I took out one of the push drives with it. There we go. So what we're gonna check out first is the weight of the hub flange. Actually, this is pretty light because this is already aluminum as it is, so we won't see we probably won't see much savings at all. 326 grams. CNC's answer to that, if I can get it. How did it get pushed down in there? I'm gonna wiggle it out. CNC's 299. So it's still a weight savings. So again, 326, 299. And this still doesn't feel heavy at all, honestly. Not bad at all. Okay, next weight check. The easiest way to do it, sprocket only. I think this will be okay. No, still not okay. So we'll take out the push drives. See, these just slide right out because these are the metal ones. My bike has the silicone ones and they don't just slide out. Or actually not silicone, polyurethane. Look at that. This is so heavy, it won't even read. I'm guessing it's at least 1.2 kilos, 1.3 kilos. And then if we were to weigh the set of this one, because this is basically replacing that, right? The difference, this is 587. So wow. This set here is about half the weight of the stock steel sprocket. That's a big difference. Actually, we should weigh it with the nuts on there and everything, but honestly, it's still going to be around 600 or so. So yeah, look at that, 602. Yeah, big weight savings. I'd say you're saving at least half the weight by going to this type of conversion.
That's like 100 horsepower right away.
Yeah, and the good thing about the quick change, I'm sure if you watch other videos, you'll learn this. The reason for the quick change is so you don't have to take this whole hub and flange assembly off. You can keep it on your bike and just take these 6 nuts off. Change your sprocket like that and put a new one on. It's not, God, I'm so dirty. I got it dirty. I need a rag.
It's all right.
Yeah, we're gonna wipe it off afterward anyways, but I'm just nitpicky. So next step.
What is this?
Those are the bolts that we're gonna use for the backside of the sprocket.
Okay.
Yep, so first thing we're gonna do is slide these in there. Actually, I'm gonna wipe them off one by one to clean them up.
You like it?
There's one.
We didn't swap last time.
Two. I'm gonna have to vacuum in here really bad.
I just wanna. Huh? Really? You have to go to school?
I got this to take care
here.
Right.
Business to take care of. Yeah. He's got business to take care of. So that's that. There we go.
It has to go all the way down, right?
Yeah.